Hello viewers, welcome to this tutorial. I am Imran Johan. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to use emmet and make your coding so fast. For Node++, it's called gen coding, but in Sublime text it's called emmet. For install emmet for your Sublime text, first go to preference, then package control, then search here install package, click install package. Now it's loading. It will take some time. Now write emmet here, this is emmet, click OK, and it's installing package emmet. It shows here. Wow, it's already installing. You have to wait few seconds and see here it is loading. Now here, as you can see, binary is completed successfully. After it, close it and open it up again. Here it's loading, waits for few seconds for working with emmet. And check right bottom section, that here is selected HTML. I select it, otherwise it does not working properly. After that, now I can check it's working or not. Write exclamation sign, then hit tab. Wow, our emmet is working properly. Now I show you some coding how to use properly. Then div tag, any other element tag, class, UL, li, and everything I will show you step by step. First, for any div, write on div, hit enter. For any tag selected, such as h1, h2, p tag, everything, write the name of tag and hit tab. Wow. Now I will tag class in single type. Write dot your class name, hit tab. Your class is coming. You can also take any ID, write hash and your ID name, name whichever you want, hit tab. Your ID is coming. Now if you want to select UL, li in a single line, how to do it? Write UL and greater than sign, write li, li will be 5, so into 5, which means the greater than means UL is the parent and li is the child of UL, and again exclamation sign, again a. That means every li contain attack, hit tab. Wow, as you can see, UL is parent, li is child, and every li contain anchor tag. You can select image tag. You can take a. Every attribution is coming automatically. You can select table plus tab. Table structure is coming. You can write any input, type equal to text, write input, colon text, tab, input type equal to text is coming. Now if I go to the heading tag, write link, colon CSS, hit tab, relation style is, name here is style.css here. By this way you can code very easily. Now one more thing you have to remember it, that you can take many other class at a time. Container plus name plus Here you can see at a time I take 3 classes with 3 different plus means siblings, and greater than means, now if I take main content main and the greater than, then take again in class name child. If I again take greater than section and dot class name, if I take the class 5 into 5, you can take it by another way, that means main rather than dot child greater than dot your class, and here if you type $sign into 5, now hit tab. The class 1, class 2, class 3, class 5, just change the class name. So plus means they are siblings, this is the example, and greater than means the parents and child relation. By this way you can type your code very shortly within a second. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have any question about this video, please write in the comment section below, I will answer it. And guys who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you again, see you, bye bye.